Master Theorem. The Master Theorem helps us quickly find the time complexity of divide and conquer algorithms. Such algorithms follow the recurrence T of n equal to A T of n by B plus f of n, where A is the number of subproblems and the value should be greater than or equal to 1. N by B is the size of subproblem, where in which the B value is greater than 1. F of n is the work done outside recursion. The procedure to solve problems related to Master's theorem. So first we have to determine the value of watershed function, that is n the power log of a to the base b. Then compare the value with f of n. There are three possible cases. F of n might be lesser than the watershed function. In that case, the time complexity is determined by big theta of n power log of a to the base b. If f of n is equal to the watershed function value, the time complexity is determined by big theta of n power log of a to the base b multiplied with log n to the power k plus 1. Where k is a constant, the value can be greater than or equal to 0. If f of n is greater than watershed function, the time complexity is determined as big theta of f of n. Whenever we do the comparison of f of n with the watershed function, it should be of polynomial. A recurrence relation is given t of n equal to 4t n by 2 plus n. From the given problem, we have to write what is a. A is 4, b is 2, f of n is n. So first find the watershed function, that is n the power log of a to the base b, that is n log of 4 to the base 2, is calculated as n squared. Now you compare f of n with the watershed function, that is n to the power log a to the base b. Here f of n is less than n squared. So the first condition is applicable. So in this case, time complexity is determined as theta of the watershed function value, that is square. Let us see another problem which is given is t of n equal to 2t n by 2 plus n log n. So from the given recurrence relation, let's write what is a. A is equal to 2, b is 2, f of n and log. So first find the watershed function value n log of a to the base b equal to log a, that you see here, with f of n and log n. We will just compare both of them. We already see comparison should be done in polynomial way. Here's one thing, that is f of n will be greater or lesser in a polynomial manner or in a polynomial way. So if you see, it looks n log n is bigger than n. So in cross check it, n log n divided by n is log n. So if you see the difference between f of n and watershed function, the f of n is not polynomially greater than watershed function. It is logarithmically greater. So here you see it should be polynomially. So here n log n in polynomial way, both of them are. So it is not polynomially greater or less. So which condition is applicable to go for the case number 2? In case number 2, we assume that f of n is equal to the watershed. So the complexity is determined as theta of the watershed function value we have determined is n, and it is multiplied by log and log of n to the power k plus 1. So take for the equation, recurrence equation, this given is n log n. So to take this term log n, the power of it is 1. So in this case, k is equal to 1. So substitute in our equation that's theta of n of the calculations of the form t of n is equal to t of n by 2 plus 1. Let us apply Master's theorem to determine what is the time complexity of it. So from the equation you can say a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, f of n equal to. Just try to find the watershed to the base period of n bar log 1 to the. So we know log 1 is 0, this is n bar 0, this is 1. So if you see here, f of n is equal to the watershed function. F of n is equal to 1. So case 2 is applicable here. The time complexity is determined as with theta of term n log, so it is multiplied by log n to the power k plus 1. So we know the watershed function value, that is 1. The 1 is multiplied with n to the power k plus 1. So what is k plus 1 from this? So if you see the equation, f of n is 1. So we can say f of n is 1. The 1 is multiplied with the whole power 0. In this case, k is equal to 0. Then apply it in the final equation is theta time complexity of the given recurrence location.